Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a haul and some Happy Mail. Let's see what I did get. Oh, I know what this is. These are, yep, it's Chinese sizes though. These are, here's what my smart doll wants me to do. The other day I showed you my pear smart doll, and I held those pants on my hand and said, oh my. She said, you know what, put those on your arm and let's compare. So that's for riding a bike. Let's see what else I did get. Oh, you won't believe what happened. Hate to admit this. I was heating these smart doll. I love these little shoes. Love them. I went back and got more. Get these on AliExpress for my little smart dolls. And they're like, I don't know, they're like $3.23 or something like that. And I warmed them up in a way I shouldn't have, and I melted one. I mean, phew, melted. So I bought one. I got an extra. Because I hope to get more smart dolls, and in the summer, what do smart dolls wear? Sandals. And, oh, looks like we got more here. Oh, what did we get here? I do not know. I bet it's eyes. I'll bet you this is eyes. What does that say on there? I don't know. All right, let's keep going. Yes, I think I am correct. Yep, that looks small. But for some of the dolls, they need to be small. These are for smart dolls. Come on. I thought I ordered 2 pairs like that. Aren't those cool? They're purple. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let's see if these match or if they are the blue pair I was looking at. You know, I know some of you can relate. I order stuff from AliExpress and it takes so long to get here you forget what you ordered. Oh yeah, same. Okay. I got 2 pairs same. Okay. So that's those, and I will have to go see. I bet this is the other pairs. Yeah. And that's why they were wrapped separate and yet in the same container. Nope, it's not. Oh, these I could make, but AliExpress has them very inexpensively. And you're going to say, how inexpensive? I don't even remember. It was like $2 or so, you know, right around there. For my pear-shaped smart doll. And what I like is it Velcros in the back so I don't have to take them all apart. And let me open this carefully because this should be another, yep, this is another t-shirt for my smart doll. And this should be, oh, and there's more eyes. I thought I got 2 pair, or is that the container? Oh, let's see. Maybe 3 pair came in those. Okay, yep, here's the other one. Oh, I thought I got orange, but here's yellow, same thing. We can take one out and take a look. And where does it open? Oh, these bags. Love them, hate them. I can never find where the stupid opening is. A lot of time. Oh, you know what? That's sealed. That is not, look, sealed. All right, so.
Looked like it was open on the side.
Oh, it is. Okay, good thing you saw it. Because I do like to reuse these, but if I can't find the opening, okay. These are really good for her to work out in or ride a bike because they are that, like, it's called Cool Max. That's what the big brand is, Cool Max. I know because we have some. Fabric. This one is not. This one is t-shirt-ish. Not a good t-shirt, but good enough for a doll. You can see my, you know, if that was for a human, wear a bra. But yeah, real cute. And again, Velcro all the way up the back. I like that. Let's see. Yeah, this is another pair of eyes. So let's get them out. Get them out. That was supposed to just go boop, and it did not. All right.
And still not.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I took the chopping. Okay, I might have only got one pair of these, but I thought I got 2 pairs of each. These are a blue. I really like them. They're like a different blue. They're realistic, but like a gray blue with the actual lines around the
Steel
cornea.
blue.
Yeah, steel blue. There you go. Now, is there another pair of those? Okay, I'll check the floor. All right, moving on. I have a Happy Mail here from Alexandra and Dolls. And she has sent me Happy Mails before, and she makes the cutest things for her dolls. And every day on Instagram, she has a photo. Oh, there's more. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. There is more. That looks midi size. And a note and more. There's more. Oh, she sent me eyes. Thank you, Alexandra. And the note says, hello, 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 my dear friends, Marna and Darren. I'm so happy to have you as friends. This time I am sending you yellow crochet stuff for midi and 1/6 Blythe with hope you will like it. P.S. 2 pairs of eyes inside too. Sending you hugs and kisses. Best regards, sincerely, Alexandra Dolly World. I knew she had changed it, couldn't remember. Let's put a little something on my pumpkin. Look at these. Oh my goodness, there are so many options. This was my favorite. I love that. What a cute little spring outfit. I just love that. She sent earrings, but Pumpkin's earrings are hot glued in. She rides on the Katy Trail on my bicycle and gets rattled. So I won't put these on her. But look at this tube dress and the little overpiece, the little shrub, whatever they call it. And then this piece for it could be a headband or a scarf. Oh, these are so cute. And another little wrap. How adorable. And then the same thing in this green. And for the midi, oh my. These are so nice. Thank you so much, Alexandra. Your work is so beautiful. And this yarn is somewhere between an acrylic and a thread. It's perfect for the Blythe dolls. Thank you so much, and thank you all for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.